This is the best birthday party ever. I can't believe it. Aye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dad.
Happy birthday to you.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. It's not showing my damn... There. It'll show it now. My birthday hat, baby. Let's go. Otter gang. 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 I'll just be a friggin' unicorn all day. It's not showing on the green screen. Happy birthday. Come on, guys. Sing. Let's go. To me, let's get it over with. Happy birthday to me. I look like an otter. And act like one too. Woo! Let's go, baby. What's going on, Otter gang? Gang, gang. FOMC days starting with a dump. Let's get into it, baby. It doesn't show. It doesn't show. I guess the... It's kind of lame, isn't it? I want it to show. I have to stay still for it to show. It's my wife's doing. She got me a birthday hat. Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin dumping. NASDAQ dumping. Woof. Bye-bye. Bart Simpson in the house. All right. Well, I ain't wearing this damn hat. All stream. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm not sorry I was late. Don't care. Just kidding, guys. Sorry I was late. I still care, okay? How's everybody doing? Thank you for being here. Look at all the birthday wishes. We got a little bit of a stiletto pattern in here. Trying to bounce out of here. Not convinced yet, guys. Defending the lows, right? Defending these lows. Not there yet. Not. Look at the NASDAQ doesn't think so. NASDAQ thinks we go zero. So we wait here. FOMC, baby. Are you guys ready to rumble for the FOMC today? Are you ready to get get some money. I still don't know the record. It's like $2,700 in 12 seconds we made one day. I think $1,200 in 3 seconds was another day. Let's just have a good day. Today is the day where everybody here should probably go and just touch some grass and some ass and come back tomorrow. Just saying. Just saying. However, you guys do whatever you bloody well please. But I'll be here. I'll be here all day. We're going to be here live streaming. We'll do our regular live till 10:15 today. And then we'll do a stream from like, I don't know, 1:30, 1 o'clock. Till Jerome Powell's tickled our whistle or whatever, right? I'm going to work and lurk. Let's go, Willa. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. I do appreciate it. Good morning, G1. Alexander G with the 20. You already gave me 20 yesterday. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. I love you, Alexander G. Thank you. Too kind. Jonathan, good morning. Crypto Rob, Ero, what's going on? Whoever's up here, good morning. I can't see you. Shriyan Pandy, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for always coming in here. Good morning to you, Jason. Proof of work, L. Candelas. What's going on, man? Yeah, rolling over here, Django. We were looking at the long here, and we're like, yeah, probably not a greatest idea here. Protecting the Discord is what I do. I mean, the best Discord in all of crypto. Kyle gave the short from here. I warned everybody about the head and shoulders. Look what happened. This is why 8 traders is better than just yourself. Just saying, right? Just saying. Yeah. Nasty. Bart Simpson in the house, man. Rolling over. Pink box approaching. This is a local pink box, so don't think it's a macro pink box. If you don't know what the significance is of the pink box, don't trade it. You don't know what you're doing. Just kidding. Just want to be safe here before anything. Rolling over here. NASDAQ rolling over here. No signs of slowing up, so welcome to the jungle, baby. We got FOMC today. We got, what else do we got today? I mean, it's PP in your eye data. That's coming out in, we get hit with the PP in your eye in less than 20 minutes. Nobody likes a good old mushroom slap in the morning, but here we go. This is trading, baby. Scary. So thank you, everybody, for being here and saying good morning. Thank you for the birthday wishes as well. Everybody in the family, in the gang. Dave Digital, I don't know, is making weird-ass videos of me, as usual.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dad.
This
Happy
guy tries to be as cool as me. I don't know. I'm not cool. Gotta love all these people, man. Look at all the birthday wishes. The best community in all crypto, guys. Thank you so much for your kindness. I do appreciate it. And your support means a lot to me. Oh man, I can't believe Dave, we were talking yesterday. Dave's gonna have all these, like, he's gonna have a hot girl over and he's gonna have all these pictures of me in a folder or something like that. Something weird. She's gonna be like, what's this? Who's this guy? Chantel, thank you for the happy birthday. Steve, G1, VW, good morning. Thank you so much. Baldski, Keen Beans, Son of the King, Chantel, Josh Parr, thank you guys. Let's go, Froth Dog, my man. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Reggie, D. Jenny, a lot of the OGs coming through. Django, King Otter, Lord Beaver, Crypto Dump, Oil Pump. Oil ain't Oil spiked. I don't know. Yeah. Oil's kind of hovering around here, right? If we're looking at support and resistance. In general, range highs, so level to level right now, I think, with oil. Big old Spike Lee up to the top here, so we can isolate this here if we wanted to. This just kind of helps me visualize where we're at and what we're looking for here. I think this guy needs to come up, inclusive, and these highs here. Yeah, that kind of helps me visualize it better. But a nice little spike up here for oil. Yeah, Bitcoin rolling over, coming into our local 618 golden pocket zone. Thank you everybody for being here. Looking to hold these lows, rotation to the high. Liquidity in this low. So I like the lower part of this pink box more than the top, to be honest. I like down in here. I like to sweep this order block. But we'll have to see how price behaves this morning. It's no longs right now. We're just waiting. Patience, patience, patience. What's going on? Army Piper, happy birthday. Thank you, bro. God bless you, man. Jojo, Mojo, Jojo, thank you for being here. Crypto Titan, Bearded Mac, Rebellious, Isaac, Django, thank you guys for the kind words. Joseph, Cal, CJ, Village, Isaac, Marlene, thank you for being here as well. Crypto Dom, Village Stream, Shark Vins. See, Alexander G's even singing to me. We do sing here. And that, thank you. I've been in the auto Discord trying to get in all I can. That's it. Thank you for being here, Curtis Hill. God bless you, bro. Dom. 380. We'll just call you 80. Keen Bean, Crypto Titan, Reggie Classic. Good morning. Fake out market chop, FOMC. Yeah, it could be. My wife got me. So my wife got me a pair of sneakers. She got me these dad shoes. I said, I think it's about time for a pair of dad shoes. What do you guys think of them? Look how, I think they're pretty gay. I normally wear Air Forces or Jordans or Air Forces or Jordans. Look at these things. They're on my feet right now. She got me dad shoes. Do you guys like them? What do you guys think? I'm wearing them in the house right now because they make me feel like a man. They make me like no laces, guys. I don't have to even tie them. Pretty slick, right? They make me feel like I'm on cloud tilt or something. I feel like I'm walking on fucking air. I feel like, look at me. They make me like 5'6", guys. Are they kid size? I'm size 9. For 5'4", size 9 feet, I feel like I'm walking on flippers, man. How fast can I run in them? Faster than you. I'm kidding. You don't have to be able to outrun the bear. You just have to be able to outrun one person in the group. You, some of bitch. God bless you. Tradefly with the $100. Man, we're not going to do this today. Bro, I'm already coming to your house and I'm going to eat all your food, man. I'm coming to your house in less than 2 weeks, bro. I'm flying to California to go play golf with Tradefly. God bless you, bro. I love you, man. Check. Check. I think we're back. I just kicked my... I'm not used to having this long of legs underneath my computer, guys. I just kicked it. My feet actually touch the ground when I'm sitting on my... my feet touch the ground now when I'm sitting on my chair. She got you shoes for people who stand for work when you sit for work. Sweet, man. That's perfect. My wife is awesome. I'll be 70 years old in 72 days. Guy, that's amazing, bro. God bless you. God bless you. On Cloud, she got you rich, posh dad shoes. Perfect, man. I can be a rich, posh dad. Thank you, everybody, for the nice words this morning. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Got a little stiletto pattern here, but still breaking down. NASDAQ. Whew. NASDAQian. Giving it all back after those gains, man. We'll see. ES, same deal. Ooh, ES. Yeah, right back down into here. So SPY, we're looking for it to come right back down into here. Gap down. Now we should be filling this box this morning. Damn, Daniel with the $100 super chat. Thank you so much, Trade Flag. God bless you, bro. She got you shoes. Yeah, she got me shoes. She also got me she got me more chocolate. You know, my wife loves chocolate. I'm not the chocolate eater, so there's something suspicious about my wife getting me chocolate. Because she had a Mars bar yesterday, but, you know, she got me 4 Mars bars, 4 Aero bars, 4 Reese's Pieces. I'm like, you just want all those Mars bars for your damn self, girl. I know the play. But that's okay. So, where are we at? Let's prepare a little bit here. So, coming into our local golden pocket here. So, swing low to swing high. I believe it's from this guy here. Yeah. So, swing low to swing high. Order block holding here. Short given in advance from Kyle in the Discord yesterday here. So, a lot of the gang was short, which was pretty good. Failing to make higher highs, right? So, clear weakness, right? How do you see weakness? When the market is unable to take key levels, right? So you can see here we are unable to take key levels, leaving liquidity, and liquidity all the way up into my favorite thing in the world, a triangle. We're not going to go there. It's my fucking birthday, okay, guys? Rotation down, right? So losing the momentum to the upside, rotation down, coming for what? Our significant lows. These are significant. Why? Because they are the structure that, you know, allows me to say we are in an uptrend. So now we are looking for retracement reversal structure. If not, if we don't get retracement reversal structure because we are mitigating these lows in here and taking the liquidity, we are looking for shorts, guys. Head and shoulders, warning sign given in advance yesterday. Okay. How do we know it was given in advance yesterday? Well, when we go over to the Discord, we can see. Look at this spoon feeding, man. Kyle spoon feed. Kyle gave you guys all the short. There's the short. There's the short. Okay. In advance, entered short. All right. Alex's TA. Here's the big ass head and shoulders warning sign. Quite early. Okay. So, prepared traders are profitable traders, right? Hopefully. So here we are, rolling over FOMC day. It's going to be volatile. It's going to be sketchy. We got news in 8 minutes, everybody. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you, Rashad. Curtis Hill. Thank you, Pink. Toaster. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. The birthday triangle. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Mars a day, yeah. News in 10 minutes, yeah. Andrew Cameron. Short on Solana, 150%. Let's go, baby. I mean, I gave the level here. I didn't give the short, but I gave the level here on Solana. So I'm pretty content with my Solana pink box. That's all I gotta say. And you can see the weakness here too, failing to make higher highs, 3 drives, right? Mitigation, continuation, dump. Bye-bye. See you later, right? So it was all there, right? Hindsight's always good though. It's always fun to watch like people who do top-down analysis and they don't actually trade, and all they do is say, hey man, I told you so. And then they don't take the trade. Well, I told you so. I took 3 trades. I shorted actually in here. Kyle gave a signal in here. I shorted up in here on this retrace here. Kyle gave the short here. I shorted in here. And I made $1,400 yesterday. 17, 14. Yeah, so I did 13 on, I deposited the 33,000 into my account, which I showed you guys on Monday. Then I made 1,300, and then I made, what did I make? Well, my account will tell you. 13 plus 459, 459. So my account's almost at $1,300. Almost. Pretty good, eh? Not bad for a few days work. Slow and steady, man. Started at 10K again, and here we go, right? Here we go. Slow and steady. Helping you guys navigate the charts. Looking for a little bit of a stiletto pattern here. Push back. Coming into the news, okay? News in 5 minutes. So taking the trades, showing the trades. Trying to make crypto honest again, guys. So we continue here. Thank you here for being here. Smashing up those like buttons. And supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. Thank you for the happy birthdays, guys. I do. 36 years young, right? That's what I'm supposed to say. 36 years young. 300 people on the live stream hanging out here, smashing up those likes, wishing me happy birthday. Thank you for being here. We're going to be so the Discord live won't be today. It will be FOMC all day. So we'll do this live. We'll take a break. And then we'll go stream for the rest of the afternoon and hang out with all you guys. Okay, so it's going to be a busy, busy day. It should be fun. Right now, no trade because we are heading into and we got PP in your eye data coming out right now. So we wait. This is a waiting zone. NASDAQ continues to roll over. Eesh, that's nasty. Good morning, eh? Good morning. All the people in London have been bridges falling down lately. Even yesterday, London bridges were falling down. Right? Was that there? Yesterday, London bridges falling down right here. London bridges falling down. We got London bridges. The people in the UK, I guess they're selling all their Bitcoin because of all the censorship. Canada's next. We just got our first, police at the door for social media posts. It's the first time it happened that we're aware of. The police went to the door and I think they were posting, something online on Facebook or something like that where it's unacceptable. An old lady getting arrested. She tells him to F off and go and do some actual police work. It's a pretty funny video. Venezuela winning the baseball championship, which is which is great. I think that's karma. I'm sorry for the United States people, but I mean, when you get a strike call at the ankles against Dominican Republic, you deserve to lose. Sorry, that's karma. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, goody, goody, goody. Sorry, I'm replying to some people here right now. These people want... News in 2 minutes. All right, we'll see if we get some trades here today. Thank you, Yavalgo. Thank you, Yavalgo. Dallas Griffin. Good morning. Turned 56 yesterday. Happy belated birthday, Dallas. God bless. I put money on your books for ramen when you get arrested. Yeah, I mean, I talk a lot of shit here. I'm doomed. My wife told me to like calm down with the banter and making fun of the Canadian government. I told her, no, we're just gonna continue to show up and talk shit. I mean, if they don't know it's a joke by now, it's pretty embarrassing if I would get arrested, you know? The amount of tax I pay, it should be embarrassed for them to arrest me anyways. It should be a get out of jail free card for you should be allowed to say whatever you want on the internet. I'm not here to hurt anybody. I can't hurt anybody. If I tried to, I'd hit you in the ankles. It'd be like stubbing your toe. I mean, I'm short. I'm really short. I think everybody would be okay if I, tried to hurt anybody. You'd be okay. You'd probably just go like this. You'd flick me. You know, like too far. You ever see those videos where there's like a guy, if I show up at your door, what are you going to do? You ever see that? Right? I gotta find it. You guys would just be like this. Bonk. News data coming out. PPI rotating down. Down we go. PPI coming in 0.7. Price inflation going up, guys. All-time high. Okay. Right now. Price inflation. So things are going up in price, guys. Not good. Not good data. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Coming into our pink box buy level right now. Now we need to see a reaction on price, okay? PPI coming in at 0.7 to start the day off hot. All right, here comes the pain, baby. NASDAQ rolling over again. Bitcoin dying, baby. Jeez Louise. Looking weak. Down we go. Dump it, baby. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, guys. Let's go. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, guys, I gotta play it. It's my birthday. 1 second. Let me make sure it's the right one. Let me see. Dumping here. Twos. Rotation down. Lower. Here it is. Let's see. What would you do if I showed up at your door? What would you do if I showed up at your door? Right? I'm going to get copywritten today. Who cares?
What would you do?
Dad, I got this. If we broke in your house.
What would you do?
Dad, I got this. If we broke in your house.
Oh, shit. I seen the one where they flick them too. Oh, man. That's me, man. That's me. That's me. Going to hell for laughing. Guys, it's funny, man. It's funny. You've all heard the midget tossing story, right? You guys have all... I've told the midget tossing story here at least 3 times, man. At least 3 times. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Pink box, bounce level, PPI coming in hot. Our first roll of data this morning. Price inflation coming in higher than expected, okay? 0.7. Okay, now we have interest rate decision, Bank of Canada. I mean, it's gong show here anyways. And then we have FOMC. So we're going to be streaming today from like 1:30. I'd say 1:30. We'll start at 1:30 and we'll go all the way through. Even though it's my birthday, we're going to be here all day. So I'm going to take a break between today's stream and then the later stream. Hopefully hit some big trades on FOMC. We'll see, though. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Oh, man. Good times, man. I got the big boy shoes. Yeah, exactly, Bald. I'm a real boy. I'm going to hell for laughing. Yeah, call him Skittles. Yeah, that's the one. There's some good ones out there. Spiritual berserker. Let's go, baby. Birthday dump. Let's go. Oh, I'm trying to push back right now. NASDAQ coming back, sweeping the liquidity out of the lows right now. No signs of strength, guys. Just rolling over. A bunch of you are all short. Good job. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Short. Shorts. My shocked face. Well, we know there's no cuts today, guys. We know there's no... Sorry about the flashbang. 99% no cuts, okay? That's not until what, July? July or June? June, there's still very little chance. Maybe July. Okay? Yikes. They're pricing in 1 cut this year? 1 cut, maybe. 1 cut, maybe. The idea is very simple. Very simple. Everybody bull posting up here, right? Everybody bull posting. What do? We short them. Everybody bear posting in here. What do? We long them. Sentiment's a gift, man. You got to be contrarian, though, right? Shorts given in advance in our Discord. Okay, head and shoulders called in our Discord. Patience, execution, planning, right? So it's been a couple of, it's been a couple of good days. We're up almost $3,000 in 2 days, which is a great start to the week. Let's try not to give it back. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. We got 400 people in here and 98 likes. I do appreciate your guys' support and hanging out here. If you do want to support the channel a little bit further or join the Discord, you can do so by joining the damn Discord. Or you can use the Bitunix link here for VIP 3 for 6 months, pinned in the comments. Or you can be as kind as Randy Hipper and come through and give me another 20 bucks. I said you were good. You're good. You gave me 20 the other day. God bless you. God bless you. Do I get to put cookies? Thank you. Thank you so much, Randy Hipper. Everybody subscribed to you that's subscribed to me. But if you're not subscribed to the Lady of Crypto, the one, the only, the legend, Randy Hipper, go and subscribe. Thank you so much, Randy. God bless you. We pump for birthdays. 36 years old, Randy. I'm getting to become a dinosaur. But that's okay. I'll embrace the crow's feet, whatever they say, or my beautiful silver hair. It's not gray, it's silver, right? It's all about perspective. I get to have joint pain, and I get to have all the things that come with age. Wisdom. When does wisdom hit? Like a year before you die, right? $36 is the new 16. $20 is $20. I'm not gay. Okay. Thank you so much, Randy. God bless you. Happy birthday, man. Thank you, Razor. I always do that. Close early. There's ways to prevent that, Curtis Hill. I mean, key targets is everything, right? Intention of the trade when you enter the trade is also something that you have to be okay with. Like if I enter a trade up here, okay, and my target is the lows, and I leave a runner, right? My target was the lows. I have to be okay with that, right? Unless that, if my target was the box, right, and I had a much, right? It's intention too when you take the trade. You got to be okay with what you intend to take, because you also got to be okay with what you intend to lose, right? So it's give and take. I mean, I shorted here, right? I shorted here last night, and I planned to take these lows here, and that was my trade. Easy 13. What was it? $1,300? Yeah. And then I made 200 on the live stream. Easy short. Continuation trade. Kyle gave the signal in our Discord up here. I was just waiting for pullback and like continuation. And then, yeah, but I got short here. I could have, I may have been stopped out here, but intention of the trade is so important, right? Like I think a lot of us, we see the big moves and we feel the FOMO, like, oh my God, we didn't get in. I mean, we took no trades even on the live stream after the live stream yesterday, right? We liked yesterday's bottoming structure in here. So this was after the live stream yesterday, right? We liked this structure, and some people got long in here, but I didn't. I didn't like the way this, and we were looking to get long. And then the big VWAP slap coming back, grabbing the liquidity out of the high. So we were looking to get long, but we never entered the trade. It wasn't, to me, there was a couple of, orb reclaim, orb push through, right? So orb reclaim was here. Then we had orb push through, retest continuation, right? There were opportunities, but it wasn't ideal in my opinion, right? And look at the retracement. So execution, patience, key levels, right? I mean, it's all fine and dandy for me to have a beautiful pink box in here, but it's my job to be patient enough to wait for confirmation. That's me job. Breaking down here in NASDAQ. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. The Simpsons. Well, this looks like we're coming back to 71,400 in my opinion now, right? 71,400 would be our next key level. Retest of these highs. Retest of this order block. Down only. Bart Simpson pattern. Right? Trade the ears. Where are the ears? So if we go up here, I'd say the first ear is here and then the second ear is here. So we're always looking to trade the ears on Bart Simpson here. We come up, Bart Simpson, boop. Depending on the ears is where we can potentially bounce from. Okay? And this is like his shoulder. Okay? I know. It sounds retarded. Right? It sounds retarded that I'm looking at his ears, but it's, you know, it's worked and it's paid me. So, we try to make it as simple as possible. Trading doesn't need to be complicated. There's complicated methods to my madness sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's to simplify it, take the trade with good risk management, high probabilities, and hopefully we all crush it. Okay? That's it. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay. Thank you, DJ Mac Ollie. 36. I was still rocking hard. The body pain and slow recovery just started. I think I still like to party. But not like I used to. I think the body pain is from 15 years of construction. Working out in minus 30-degree weather for months on end. Wisdom hits you when you pray for it? I mean, you pray for wisdom, you get lessons, right? That's how, you know, God works funny. You know, it's not, you pray for strength, God makes life hard, right? Because it'll make you tough, right? So, that's why they say, be careful what you wish for, right? So down only rules. For now, Django, no, just because of where we were at. If we have a reaction, we would be looking here or here. This would be golden pocket. This would be 786. So this is naturally our higher term time frame, low to high to low reactionary area. So this is down only rules would apply if we were doing it here kind of deal. Right now, no down only rules. I think patience right now and see what happens coming into market open. It does look like we are rotating down, but this is these two levels in here where we can definitely get potential reversal patterns. So for me right now, I'm waiting. NASDAQ continues to bleed out though, so looking to come back into 24 here. So no trade right now. Because if we do bounce out of here, like we sweep here, maybe we bounce out of here and come back into here for like an order block. Are we going to short that? I think it's a little bit risky. So for me, it's about patience. Just because of how aggressive we've rolled over here. If we were breaking down slower here, then yes. But right now we're not. Down only rules would have applied down here. Retest yeah. Not for me right now, Django. I think we just hold the brakes on the trades for now. We'll see how price materializes as we proceed to give you what you need. Our skate pass problem isn't helping. Yeah. I mean, I skateboarded for most of my life too, so ankles are shot, broken my right ankle twice. Heals back stronger. Yeah, right. I've torn all the ligaments in my left ankle, and that one hurts more. The ligaments is way worse, man. Like I felt when I tore my ligaments, I was doing a back crook grind, and my ankle just kept going, right? But the feeling was next level. It feels like an elastic band gets pulled on like really hard in your foot, and then it just snaps, and then you get a really hot, warm feeling like an iron rod. It felt like a hot iron rod, like just right through my foot, and then twang, and then my ankle turned into a balloon, and it's never been the same since. And that's why I don't do kick flips anymore. Only heel flips, different motion in the ocean. Thank you, Al. Have a great show, Miss Teen Crypto. Thank you for the 20. God bless you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cryptoholic. Thank you for the kind words. Nice, Django. Good job, man. I love seeing you win, bro. Strength comes by living by the word of God, not your circumstances. I like that. Tripeptides. Left ankle broken twice, yeah. Knock on wood, I've never broken like an arm or a wrist or anything like that. I've had some bad injuries that way, but no breaks. You didn't take trade on BTC? Right now we're just waiting, man. No reason to jump in a bounce level, just waiting, trying to be patient here. Bitcoin rolling over, humble pie being delivered hot, fresh, and ready into FOMC this morning. Head and shoulders pattern overnight. I don't know if they call it. Is this a complex head and shoulders? Do they call this a complex head and shoulders, guys? When it has double, it's like Gothic. It has double spiky shoulders, right? I think that's a complex head and shoulders rotating down. Two extra shoulders just makes it complex, guys. Right? It's complicated. Really complicated. It's a lower high. It's a really complicated pattern. 420 people in here. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. If you're new here, welcome. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis, taking profits, depositing, converting it to Canadian dollars live in front of you, making crypto honest again on a daily basis. Thank you for supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new. If you are new here, welcome. Just waiting right now. We're here scalping on the 3-minute every single day. Just waiting. No longs right now. Solana dying. Oof. Oof. NASDAQ dying. Look at that. PPI data coming in hot. Price inflation coming in hot. So a little bit of humble pie before Jerome Powell speaks this afternoon. We'll be live this afternoon as well on my birthday because, we're here for it. Watching the NAS, watching the SPY. Good times. It looks like we're coming all the way down here by now. Big gap energy. Bitcoin, Steve Ruglin right now, trying to hold on, but no signs of strength right now. Rotation down. We'll do a top-down analysis on Market Cipher. However, overextended to the upside, money flow rolling over, anchor trigger wave to the downside. Clear weakness. Clear weakness all the way through. Yeah. We were looking for the pushback here yesterday, right here, and we didn't get it, right? Whee! So, down we go, Geronimo. And guess what? We're overextended, guys. So, naturally, we're looking to come back to our imbalances, right? Into here, into here, into here. Naturally. So, here we are. First one. We'll see if we bounce, but right now it doesn't look like it, right? If this, then that price action. Forming a nice little bit of a anchor wave here. So we could look for something like this. I mean, even though we're coming down right now, we could look for something like this. But we're not here yet. So we wait. Yeah. Down only right now. So we wait. But the Discord was prepared, and we're all prepared, and we'll see what we get today. Hopefully we can get some scalps. I like trading FOMC day. I don't know why. It's just something we've always done. Should be fun though. Just wait till you hit your mid-40s. You'll love it. Go to bed fine, wake up injured from all the past injuries. It's a coin toss every morning. Sweet. Can't wait, man. Have my nose broken. Did you check your DMs lately? I haven't. I'll take a look. Muscular shoulder, wrist, no fun. It's a muscular shoulder. Is that the complex shoulder pattern? Shattered my left leg. Jeez. Hopefully you're okay. Half a dozen screws. He's a bionicle man. Ramus, good morning. Nick, thank you for being here. By the way, here from watching Jason Casper. We love Jason Casper here. Jason Casper is definitely one of our favorites, man. Doing it well, Jason Casper. He's going to be doing the FOMC. If you're not watching me, you're watching Tom Crown or Jason Casper live FOMC. Look at Jason, even puts on a suit. We love Jason here. Jason is a good human. We love you, Casper. Okay. We love Jason Casper here. The original FOMC guy to be watching, though, is Tom Crown. Tom Crown kind of paved the road for the FOMC streams. I never say watch me for FOMC. I always say watch Tom Crown. I used to teach in Tom Crown's Discord. Tom Crown is the FOMC god. All right. So go and watch Tom Crown as well. Tom does a great job. He has a lot of good content as well. I've met Tom in real life. He's a good person. Or you can come watch my degen ass take crazy trades. You do whatever you want. I'm not, I ain't your dad. I got one son, and that's plenty. He's incredible. Yesterday we went out. It's 14 degrees Celsius here in Canada, so all the snow's melting, and we went outside and we jumped in some puddles yesterday. Then Dada came home, hit a $1,300 trade. It's the life I've dreamt of my whole life. So hopefully I can help you guys build that life as well. You come in. I made a carpenter's wage in 30 minutes, one trade for the week. A carpenter's wage, 16 to 2. You would make 1,600 to about 2,500 if you worked overtime as a carpenter a week. And I made that in 30 minutes yesterday. Blows my fucking mind sometimes, guys. It blows my mind. I'm just grateful. Blows my mind. And that's what we hope to help you guys do, right? You got a couple of those a week, you're laughing, man. A couple of those. Right? Right? What's better than a live hockey game and live crypto? I don't know, man. We watch the hockey games. We watch the hockey games in the Discord sometimes. Good fun. Crypto Billy, what's going on, bro? Good to see you last night. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Casper is fake. You don't need a plunger in an outhouse. What's going on, MH? Have a great steak tonight, day dinner. I don't think I had steak on my vacation. I don't think. What do we have for dinner? We had shepherd's pie last night. Oof. with the gravy. Oh man, my wife makes an amazing shepherd's pie, man. I'm so spoiled. Good to see you, Ada Ace. God bless. Thank you for the nice wishes. Witches? God bless you too, Miguel. Thank you. Lobster. I ain't a big lobster fan. I prefer crab and then crab is too like crab is a lot of work, man. You gotta crack that over and over again. So I mean I don't know, maybe we get some lobster. Shepherd's pie. So do you know in Canada, shepherd's pie is beef, right? In the UK, there's shepherd's pie and then there's cottage pie. Cottage pie is beef. Shepherd's pie is lamb. Okay? Weird. Weird, right? So my wife calls it cottage pie. She says, "Do you want some cottage pie?" And I say, "Brilliant, mate." No, I don't talk to my wife like that. She goes, "Do you want some cottage pie?" And I say, "Yes." Okay? But she's edumacating me. Okay? So if you call it a shepherd's pie, you're wrong. It's not shepherd's pie. It's a cottage pie. All right? Get it right. I've been corrected. Now you've been corrected. You have no excuse. You've been edumacated on the AlexOCrypto stream, okay? Maybe a Band-Aid. God bless you. Thank you for the 10, man. Thank you so much, man. You don't have to. You don't have to give me the $10, but I do appreciate you. Thank you so much, Maybe a Band-Aid. Have a wonderful day, man. What? No way. Shepherds and lamb does not make sense? Oh, really? Meat pies? I'm English. You guys make fun of how we say bottle. Bottle. My wife's British, Ashley. She speaks the Queen's English, as she says. We speak it wrong. Shepherd's thigh sounds... That's a bad date, Willa. That's a bad date. You go on a shepherd's thigh. We won. We call it what we want. Sounds very American. I love it, Dusty. Thank you, Duality. Thank you, Charles. Max Murphy. You're right. We are slowly just bleeding out here, guys. NASDAQ, same deal here. Solana rotating down. Oof. Solana coming down to that psychological $90 here. I'd say it still needs to come down to 88 easily. Easily. Oof. Big old 5% dumperelli on the beautiful Solana as well. Look at that. Ethereum down 3.5% as well. Solana. Wednesday, midweek reversal, everybody. Midweek reversal. Monday, false move, right? Monday, false move up. Whee! False move up. Wednesday, midweek reversal. Into FOMC. It doesn't get any more plain to see than that. Congratulations on all of your shorts in the chat. GG's. I love seeing you guys win. Mitigating the pink box, guys. Where we go, nobody knows. Down only. Down only. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes, and thank you guys for using the beautiful, beautiful Bitunix link. If you do want to support the channel, you can by using that link. You get VIP 3 for 6 months. Thank you for supporting and hanging out here. I do appreciate you guys. The best deal in Bitunix in crypto, I think. I gave up my left nut for you guys. We'll see how it goes. Rotation down, man. Oil's pumping. We got news data here coming from our friend User saying that Iran issues urgent warning. Woo, watch out, man. Watch out. Is Netanyahu, is he dead? I think he's got 6 fingers. That's all, man. He's just got 6 fingers. Don't worry, go Big Rad. His 6 finger, you know, he's part of the 6 finger club. That's all, man. I don't know, man. I stay out of the politics, man. I'm just here trying to help you guys click buttons successfully over and over again. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day, man. The politics gets everybody into trouble. Division is what they want. Let's just be unified. Whatever you're left, right, up, down, sideways. Let's just get along. Be kind to one another. Don't be a douchebag and, you know, make some money. That's it, right? Your greatest hedge against all the bullshit is to get a skill. Hopefully I can teach you the skill so you can accumulate generational wealth for you and your family. That's it. That's your out, right? That's your out. Get your peace, man. Get your peace. Mind your peace. Have some peace, right? Right? I mean, it's important to be informed. It's important to see both sides of the story. It's not your job to get upset about it. It's your job to try and do something about it. Action. Right? I mean, I'm in Canada. We get like 55% tax. We have a strong, you know, we are very green energy focused. We don't like to use all of our natural resources. And I have to be okay with it. That's okay. I'm allowed to have an opinion, but my job is to do what I can about it, and that's show up, be kind, be the change you want to see. There's your motivational speak. What just happened to this? What happened to my chat? Just wrecked my chat. Something went wrong on my chat. Did my stream stop? I don't think the stream stopped. I think stream. I don't think the stream stopped. Stream stopped, but oh, it popped up. It said too much porno, Alex. Don't be looking at porno. That's what it just did. It gave me the Google error. Yeah, see, they know. They're listening, guys. They're always listening. There it is right there. I'm telling everybody to just mind their own business and develop skills. I'm trying to be the good Samaritan here. And then they just blocked me right there. They just gave everybody on the stream, all 450 of you, they gave us all warning right there. There they are. They're listening. Right? They're all listening. We'll sweep down into support here, trying to hold this level here. And still no trade, guys. A little bit of patience. Yeah, it's just bleeding out right now. Red box bounce on Solana. I prefer this bounce, really. But down, 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 right? So, a little bit of slowing down, but not much, guys. Not looking good here. Coming into market open. We'll see what we get. I'm going to get some more coffee. You guys can all sing happy birthday for the song this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe. I guess that's the theme today, so we're going to play it. Don't be a namby-pamby. I'm going to get some more coffee because it's my birthday and we're streaming all day today. Otter gang, gang, gang. 142 likes? Really?
Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang, 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 gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Douche canoe, 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 namby, bambi. Wait for the trade, all the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Douche canoe, namby, bambi. Douche canoe, namby, bambi. Douche canoe, namby, bambi. Wait for the trade, all the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Douche canoe, namby, bambi. All the gang, all the gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a namby, bambi. Yeah. All the gang. Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi.
Nambe,
Don't be a
bambe.
douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, bambi. Douche canoe,
Thanks, Brian.
bambi. Douche canoe,
Be pambe. I guess that was the long, eh? The namby pamby dish canoe long up to VWAP. We'll see. No trade right now. Still waiting. Trying to rotate back up here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. We just got PP in your eye data coming out. Coming in hot, inflation. We also have Jerome Powell speaking today. FOMC will be streaming live later as well. Taking trades, showing the trades, trading FOMC in the place to be. Thank you for being here. 162 likes. All 400 of you haven't hit the like button. So if you wouldn't mind, that'd be cool. If not, whatever. We'll be all right. So looking at Market Cipher top-down analysis, you can see a little bit of the daily still looked bullish yesterday. Okay, so the daily still looked bullish. No red dot, still pushing onwards and upwards here. So now curving over. The 12-hour really was the tell. We had the confirmed red dot in the morning into the evening, rotating down, VWAP coming out here. So a little bit of a retracement now after being overextended. We had how many days in a row? 8 days in a row. So we were saying, some humble pie eventually. Very aggressive close on Monday. And then Monday, false move, rotation back down. So coming back down at minimum, retesting the highs of the range that we can see in here. Very simple. We don't have to complicate this, right? So looking to come back and retest that level right around 71.5. And we'll see if we get there. If we look at like a 3-day, we can see halfway down the candle, something that we were talking about in our Discord. So there we are. Okay, can we push back from here? We'll see. Coming into FOMC, we can see the NASDAQ has rotated down quite aggressively this morning. So we expect a gap down for the SPY coming into market open. When looking at the 8-hour money flow, it is looking okay. It's still, grass, play ball. Still looks green. Resetting on VWAP. So looking for a pushback coming into probably tomorrow morning, if anything. We'll see if we get that. But like a lot of uncertainty and chop at the top, as we could see. That head and shoulders pattern, right? Head and shoulders at the highs, breaking down, right? So we were prepared. The Discord did short in here. If you did take the short, congratulations. If not, we'll find more trades. We always seem to find more trades. Currently, right now, we are looking for a swing low to swing high, golden pocket 786 bounce. And we are currently in that zone right now. Okay, so this would be where we're looking for the bounce out of here on a higher term time frame. Okay, so if we're looking at higher term time frame swing trades, potentially looking for a bounce, looking to grab this low. So we want confirmation if we're going to continue up. Okay, if we're going to continue up. If this, then that, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. That's why we have levels within this area right now. Okay, pink box in here trying to bounce. We'll see if we get it. Looking at a 4, 3, 2, and 1, what we can see here is, forming of a trigger wave here on the 4 hour. This is typically bullish, but it will take time. This says, Thursday afternoon, okay, if we're going to have that. So aware there, but the 3, the 2, and the 1 all rolling over, right? So we can see market cipher just coming down, rolling over, oscillating down. No signs of strength just yet. 1 hour, same deal here. We can see a little bit of positive posturing here, right here on our VWAP. So can we push back? Coming into FOMC, expect volatility, a lot of it. All right, so today's typically the best day to take off and protect your capital. If you're new to trading and you've never traded an FOMC day, okay, your job is to watch, not trade, to watch. And fight those emotions to trade. That is your job today. That's what I would suggest. If you're an experienced trader, you know that this day is probably a day to watch. Okay. However, with a day like today, if it's very aggressive and choppy, we take profits early. We stop loss to entry. Quick about it. Okay, we're quick about it. We need to remain patient. Okay, we'll see how we do today, guys, but we're up almost $3,000 for the week, and we'll continue to chug along. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. You don't need to subscribe. Just hang out. Say good morning is the only requirement of this channel. You can support the channel by using the Bitunix link pinned in the comments. You can join the Discord, the best Discord in AlexOCrypto. Shorts given in advance last night. We have hit a plethora of longs from the signals, guys. We have 8 traders in our Discord, myself included, live trading. 150 videos, free lessons. It's the best Discord in all of crypto. It's the best Bitunix in all link in all of crypto. We try to bring you the best here. If not, you tell me. We try to get it for you guys. So thank you for being here and hanging out. And thank you for saying good morning. It is my birthday today, so I expect you guys to like the damn stream. 480 of you here, no likes. What is this? Some rookie ass numbers, 180 likes. Nah, I shut up at 200. So we need 18 more likes. Thank you for being here. Alan, good morning. Justin Verse, good morning. Good to see you. Potential inverse head and shoulders. Complexities. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Works again. Good. Good morning, guys. Thank you for saying good morning. Not being weird. Thank you. Good morning, Jermaine. Good morning, Pad. Not Bank. Good afternoon. Good morning, Simple. Lucky Deal. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Hoto. Murph Games, good morning. Justin Verse, good to see you. Cameron, 36. Mr. Geoff or Jeff. Magic Mike, it's just a bachelor. Looking for a partner. Good to see you, Sam. Thanks for the devotion and example. Thank you for being here. Lucky deal. God bless you, man. Beginner trader, I'll be sure watching and learning lots today. And happy birthday. Welcome, Toes. Take your time, man. Take your time. A lot of people don't take their time in the beginning, and they blow up a lot of accounts to get there. We posted this on X, you know. They always give you the taste, you know, the early taste. I can't draw on this one, so let me post it over here. They always give you the taste, right? You start trading, they give you the taste. This is the taste, right? They gave you the win, the first win. The first one's always free, whatever, right? They give you this. Then you lose, and then you're in here. You're in here hanging out. A lot of people are still in here hanging out. And then they quit or they continue. It requires risk management, strategy, psychology. Risk management, strategy, psychology. The number one thing you can control is the amount you risk per trade. It's the easiest thing to implement into your trading is risk management. Give yourself a chance to survive long enough to thrive. Okay? Then you got to back test strategies and implement them and only trade the strategy. Don't trade what you feel. Don't trade what you think. Don't trade what you want. Trade the market you have, not the market you don't. All right? And then you can work on your brain, because your brain, you know, we are risking money. It's the only job you can go to work and they take your money. Okay? You go to Walmart and push a cart for 8 hours, you're getting paid. It doesn't matter if you push the cart sideways. I mean, you may get fired over time, but they ain't taking your damn money. Here they take your money. Okay? I am successful, but I'm still here, guys. I am still working on maturity. I mean, nothing's funnier than a fart, guys. I think I'll always be a kid at heart. But hopefully we can all get there together. It's important. Don't waste your time. Make your time work for you, especially if you're new. Right? I felt like longing here this morning. I felt like longing here this morning. I felt like shorting here this morning. I didn't take the trades because there weren't setups. Breaking down right now. NASDAQ. Trying to find support. Coming into market open. FOMC day today. The setup before the spike. So it's going to be a very volatile day coming into 2 o'clock this afternoon. Jerome Powell speaking. He's going to blame everything on the war in Iran. He's going to say our number one job is maximum employment and lower prices. Okay? And you got to trade when he coughs. When he coughs, it's the tell. He'll go and watch the price move. He'll say something that's important, and then he'll cough to tell everybody that it's important. You don't believe me? Trade the cough. Okay? You'll see. Trade the damn cough. The conspiracy theories are real. Thank you guys for getting up those likes. Thank you for the birthday wishes, and thank you for the good mornings, guys. Traveling Studios, good to see you. Sam, Captain Jack, user, thank you for being here. Daniel, good afternoon. Afternoon tea from England. He's eating dinner. I need a punch in the face over risk management. Why do I need to rush when I was doing so good? Then bam, I decided to be stupid. And yeah, Isaac, it's a painful process. I went through that as well, right? You get to a point where it's like, it's aggravating because it's a slow process, especially when you're starting out, right? Like you got $1,000 or $100 account and you're trying to turn that into something where you're actually making decent money, right? You're not making decent money, I would say, until you've turned that $1,000 account into at least 500, right? Because then you're risking 50 to make 150, right? So it takes time, man. And that first part, you know, if you're trading 1,000 and you're risking $10 to make $30, right? And you turn that into, let's say, 2,000. Okay, the hardest part So you're risking $20 to make $60. So it's starting to look nice, right? It's starting to look nice, right? The hardest part is when you go back down and you start losing, and you have, let's say you have $1,700. You can't be risking $20 per trade. I'm yelling at you guys now. You're not going to get, if you start losing $20 per trade on this account instead of 17, the hardest part is to go backwards, okay? When you start losing, right? If you go back down to 14, you're risking $14. You're not risking $20. You must backpedal. People continue to trade with $20 of risk when they should be trading with $10, in my opinion. If you're below $2,000, you trade with $10 per risk. Okay, if you're above 2,000, you trade with 20. Keep it simple like that. Don't and be okay with going back to risking $10 per trade. Don't rush it, man. Compounding over time is the most gangsterous thing you'll ever do. I'm telling you, once I built my account from $1,000 to $10,000, my life changed. Right? Because I'm risking 100 to make 300, guys, and that's when you start to see your account actually, you know. Even right now, I'm putting around 150,000 per trade. I'm not putting a lot on the trades right now because it's volatile, it's choppy. I typically risk anywhere between 800,000 and 1.2 million per trade, generally. Not in these market conditions. I'm not giving it away. My account was at $100,000, $99.99. Okay, we're at 13. I took off 30,000, started trading with 60. Okay, then I took off the 60,000, started trading with 20. Okay, now I took another $30,000 off this Monday, and now I'm trading with 10. I put physical barriers in front of myself so that I cannot, you know, full tilt, full port my account, right? I'm human too. Look at this long, man. This is the coffee long playing out right now, guys. So far, so good. Up to VWAP. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're skiing, baby. Good to see everybody. Thank you for being here. I think the most important part about starting when you start trading is to get reps in. Take 5-cent trades, man. Like, take the smallest trades. Just get reps in and watch price action. Mark out your charts. See what works. See what doesn't work. Right? Hands. Shorts. Nice shorts. Good job, everybody. Coming back imbalance in here. Fair value gap. Order block up top here. Continuation down. We'll see. This is golden pocket bounce, right? Bullish divergence. Right? Order block in here could potentially continue downwards here. We got 4 minutes till market opens. Okay, so expect the SPY to gap down. We see the NASDAQ finding some support in here. So we'll see how the market opens this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out here. We got 500 people in here hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you for showing up for my birthday. I mean, you don't really celebrate a birthday. You show up to work. I mean, I've never really celebrated a big birthday, past 25. I think I used to go out and party when I was, in my mid-20s. Not anymore, guys. Married with kids. There's my son. He's yelling "da," and what "da" is to my son is ball. He likes hockey, basketball, golf. He likes throwing the balls. He smoked my wife in the face with a tennis ball yesterday, right in the eye. And I'm not allowed to say good throw, son. I'm supposed to say, don't throw stuff at your mother. Oh, man. Kid's got an arm and he's only 1.5 years old. Wild. It's funny. It's funny, but it's not funny when it's food. Because he'll pick up his food and he'll throw... He's hitting you with mashed potatoes across the table. It's not fun. Or chili or whatever. Gravy. Yesterday, throwing gravy at Dad. And I'm not allowed to get mad. You know, if that was anybody else throwing gravy at me, I'd grab the gravy container and probably dump it on your head. But it's my son. So I just say, hey, man, can you please not throw stuff when we're at the dinner table? I love you, little man. That's it. That's it. Too fun. Lo-fi is from India, guys. Say hi. I'm from Igloo, Canada. Question: can you touch on a trade looks like with the percentages it takes to get a 1 to 3 return? Pretty please. Yeah, well, it depends on your risk management and your setup, right? Like for me, I'm a scalper, so I typically take 1-to-1 trades. That's kind of where I'm at. Okay. But if I'm taking like an intraday trade, I'm risking like 0.3 to make 1%, and I'm taking a profit along the way, right? My typical setup is $100,000, risking 300 to make 900. Okay, but time is of the essence, right? So we can go over that, but market's just about to open, and this is where I try to make my money. So patience right now, but 3-to-1 trade is key. I mean, if you're hitting a 3-to-1, you're really doing well. I think if you're hitting a 1.5 or 2 over time, it's still good. Depending on your win rate, right? Most of my strategies in key areas, like my win rate's super high, right? So it's like it's important for me to take profits along the way as well, especially in these conditions. Here we go. Market's opening. We're expecting gap down for the SPY. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Bitcoin, trying to find some support. SPY, gapping down. Okay, there's our gap down this morning, mitigating this box. So this box now becomes our gap up. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. SPY, rotating down, coming back into the range. NASDAQ, pushing back, trying to find some relief here. Bitcoin, no relief, rotation down. Order block up top here. Big breakdown this morning of the head and shoulders pattern. Rotation down. We'll see how that materializes going into the rest of the day. We got Jerome Powell speaking later this afternoon, where we will be live again. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons, all those good things. Let's see what we get here, guys. A little bit of patience. And Solana hitting critical support here. This just says we still need to come down to 88 here, so no strength here on Bitcoin. Sweep of the order block in here. Down we go on the NAS, and down we go on the SPY. We see oil climbing this morning. We see Bitcoin getting slapped down. Bitcoin getting slapped down. Waiting. Trading is waiting. Traders helping traders. That's where we're at. Pretty overextended to the downside. Doesn't mean we can't continue down. Okay. Yeah, Solana down. DAC trying to find support here. Same with the SPY. Coming down for the lows here. Today's the day for manipulation. It's the day. The news data, all the goodies, man. So everything coming out today. Just trying to remain patient here. High probability trade setups. Looking for breaks and continuation trade. So if we're going to get long here, we do have an established high now. So we look for a break and continuation out possibly. Or we would look for an SFP slap and like convincingly long. We could also look for the order block retest in here and then a rotation back down into key levels down here. So right now, don't want to diddle in the middle. Looking to find support, but also very aggressive rotation down. So can this continue? Absolutely. Trend is now down, breaking structure, mitigating critical support, which was here. Okay, this has been mitigated, which suggests that we are looking for lower highs on higher term time frames. Okay, for now we wait. Rotation down, we'll see. NASDAQ uncertain, trying to push up. Continuation up here. Okay, hammer candle engulfing. Nice push back for SPY here. Can we get bouncing? Bouncing, bouncing. No bouncing here on Bitcoin. No bouncing on Bitcoin. So still waiting here. Still waiting. We have a bunch of buy signals here on Solana. Interesting. Not convinced yet. Not convinced yet. I do like to bounce here in the open. Right? Coming back for this gap down. But we do have big gaps down below that we could target. This is gap central on the SPY. This is just choppy uncertainty on the SPY, right? Looking to push back on the DAC here. Can we find support? Not convinced yet. Still no trade. Showing the trades, taking the trades. It's going to be a volatile one today, guys. So protect your capital at all costs today. Like I said, for most people, today is a good day to watch, you know. Backtest strategy, you know, there's lots of things you can get into besides clicking a buy and sell button to improve your trading, right? Focused on what you can do to make it better, right? Maybe a psychology book, maybe Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. Best Loser Wins, another good one, right? Maybe watching the chart while listening to it, right? Making the commitment to be disciplined today and not taking a trade. That's the thing. If you're not going to take a trade, still watch the market, because that's telling yourself, watch the market with your exchange open, right? Have your exchange open, have the option to trade, and don't take the damn trade. A lot of you guys can't do that. I know that because I used to not be able to do that. Okay? Have your exchange open, watch the price action, say, I'm not going to trade today, and don't do it. I know some of you guys are struggling with that. You just want to click. Click, 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 click. Everything's a click. Right? Don't do it. And do it for a couple hours. Right? For a couple hours. Watch price action. Talk it through to yourself in your head, right? Say, hey, man, look, sweeping the lows. All right, sweep of the lows, continuation, trying to break the high here. Looking for a rotation to the upside, right? Draw it out. How do you want to see it, right? I want to see this high mitigated. I want to see it come back for late longs. Then I want to see rotation back up into this area here. Sweep, break, continuation down. We'll see, right? Like, it's the best thing you can do for yourself. We see bids coming in here for the NASDAQ and the SPY. So a little bit of strength this morning after a rotation down. We can see coming back for late shorts. Shorts building up. Possible pushback for a retracement. Doesn't mean we're gonna head all the way up. It just means retracement, right? Retracement's retracement. Impulse fib here from swing low to swing high. Golden pocket retest of previous lows. I do like this area as well, so we'll be looking here for shorts as well. Order block tap up here for continuation down as well. So a couple sell walls in our way. Chopping sideways here, and expect chop into FOMC today, guys. So I don't expect this, you know, even coming in here on my birthday, I was like, should we even stream this morning? Because we got this dump down this morning, but we should expect chop into 2 o'clock today. right? FOMC later on this afternoon, right? FOMC at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We'll start streaming around 1:30. So we'll be back here around 1:30 and we'll do the full stream all the way through again. Okay, inflation coming in hot this morning. So things to watch. But I would expect this is, we were talking about this yesterday, how Monday false move, Wednesday midweek reversal. If we're playing volleyball, guys, okay, here's our volleyball net. FOMC is the volleyball net, right? Right, we have the volleyball here. Start of the week comes over. Monday comes over the net. Bump, right? Here's the bump. Boof. Right? Here's the setup, the volley. Boof. And now we're hovering right here, guys. So you have the first hit, which was the bump. You have the setup, which was, the person who sets the volleyball up for the person to come down and spike the shit out of this ball. Is it going to go this way or is it going to go this way? Right? That's what today is. Today is boom, boom. Right? So we let them play their stupid games and we try to participate safely. Okay? That's it. Right now we're consolidating. We've dropped and we're rotating down. Okay? Okay? NASDAQ climbing, retracement, rounded bottom. Interesting. Okay, we're going to get everybody going to be drawing cup and handles this morning. We'll see. SPY trying to push back after the drop here. Patience. This is going to be such a weird orb if this is our orb. Yeah, this is going to be really weird. Patience here. This is just pure liquidity in here. That's all this is. Trapping longs on the way up. Oil looks as though it could be toppy right now. Not convinced though. Just a higher low. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Solana as well. Trying to push back as well. I mean, Solana could easily come back into here, obviously. Imbalanced target. Trying to push back up. Not convinced right now. Looks as though it's going to push, but follow NASDAQ. NASDAQ could be the tell right now. I'm not convinced on the push, though. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. Bitcoin going down to 50? I don't think so. Cable, tie your thumbs together. What about Ethereum? I haven't been touching Ethereum until I've just taken a look at Ethereum, a couple days ago because it finally started outperforming Bitcoin. But it's not something I'm touching. You're watching from India? Thank you for watching from India. You are give a very good trade? Hopefully. Hopefully, man. Watch all of 150 Alex's videos. That's it, right? Don't be a dick for a tick. Small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. Always small losses, especially on days like this. NASDAQ pushing back aggressively now. Rounded bottoms typically return to where they started, so we're looking for this thing to come up into here, and then we'll see how it behaves. That's how you get the cup and handle pattern. Slow. Slow, slow, slow. Trapping traders. Still waiting. I would prefer to see one of these. So we wait here, just chopping at the bit. This is pretty ugly this morning, guys. FOMC. That should be all right. Maximum employment. Lower prices. Am I EST? No, I'm Mountain Standard Time, man. I'm up I'm up at 4:30 in the morning every morning to hang out with you guys, even on my bloody birthday, man. Thank you, Monkey. Watching from Japan, let's go. I am Japanese. I've always wanted to do, so me and my wife have Japan's going to be like a big trip. We're going to do like a month or two in Japan. I mean, I always wanted to be a samurai, man. You guys, Origato. Can't wait to do Japan. We almost did Japan when I lived in Australia. We travel a lot. I love traveling. I just want to do Tokyo Drift, man. That's it. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it for sure. We'll do like a month or two in Japan. It's definitely on the it's on the top of the bucket list. It's probably top 5 for sure. Happy birthday from Hawaii. Awesome. Am I doing a giveaway for my birthday? We're going to do a giveaway today. Yeah, absolutely. We're going to do a giveaway. Why you put your mouth inside the mic? Is that weird? Ladies and gentlemen, putting the mic inside the mouth. What are you giving away? Giving it away now. This price action is absolutely shite, mate. We're trying to get TradeFly to 2,000 subscribers, guys. So we'll do another giveaway. TradeFly. TradeFly gave a $100 super chat. Why is he not coming up in my my search? All right, let's go over to TradeFly's channel again. Do the giveaway. Okay. You're going where? It's my birthday. Okay. I love you. Bye, buddy. Yeah, have a great day, buddy. They're leaving me on my birthday. All right, you're gonna go over to this link here. This isn't a bad link, I promise. You're gonna comment Otter Gang. Okay, Otter Gang. Let's get this guy to 2,000 subscribers for my birthday, please, guys. Just for my birthday. Let's get him to 2,000 subscribers. There's 60 of you who can subscribe to my boy TradeFly. He is giving you the alpha, the omega. Just go over here and subscribe to TradeFly. Comment Otter Gang, and we'll do the giveaway. Trapping traders at the lows. Enticing buyers. There's your cup and handle. Return to the highs. Right? Sweep of the lows, trying to go. We're doing a giveaway every day this week because we hit 20,000 subscribers. And hell, I'll give you a birthday present too today. Looking for a sweep of the lows and a bounce out of this box down here. No trade right now, everybody. What a horrible orb for today, man. For FOMC day, what a horrible. Oof. What is it? 0.5%? Yeah, 0.5%. It's going to be an interesting one. Geez, inward curvature rotating down here. Otter Gang, baby. Let's go. Let's get those subscribers up. Please and thank you. We're almost there. 50 more of you guys. You guys can do it. I believe in you. Look, 76 comments. You guys can do a little bit better than that. please go over here and subscribe to TradeFly, my family. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Any trades happening right now? We're just trying to be patient, man. Nice bounce here on the DAC and the SPY. Okay. A little pushback here on the DAC and the SPY. Solana looks absolutely shite. Orb reclaim, continuation out into order block. Concerning. I'd prefer this guy. Still waiting here. No trade. Patience today. I mean, dump into open. Now it looks as though they're trapping leverage longs in here, only to send it lower. That's typically how I treat this until I get confirmed structure or a confirmed liquidity grab, right? If I get confirmed liquidity grab, then we can get going. But right now, it's no trade right now, guys. A little bit of patience. Little bit of patience. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you, everybody who has already subscribed to TradeFly's channel. Thank you for subscribing. We have more fans than the Leafs. I don't want to talk about it, Harp. It's a painful story. It's a painful story, Harp. From riches to rags now. Rebuild time. Matthews is out. Yeah, I don't want to talk about my Leafs right now. It's upsetting. Come on, guys. Otter Gang in the chat, man. 96. Come on. We need 40 more people, man. This guy's handsomer than me. Look at this guy, man. He's crushing it.
Sand, and we are here. Bitcoin currently sitting at 74.79.
Look at this handsome man. Damn, Daniel. He's sexy. If you didn't know, his name is Dan, by the way. Damn, Daniel. Otter gang, gang, gang. Comment picker, baby. Bitcoin's chopping, guys. I'm watching on my other screen. There's no trade right now, guys. But we're doing a giveaway, like promised. Trying to get TradeFly to 2,000 subscribers, guys. I would appreciate it. For my birthday, would you mind just subscribing to his channel? Oh, it's moody outside. The mountains, they're misty this morning. There's no sunshine this morning. It's a moody mountain scenery. Looks cool, though. Looks cool. It looks like the White Walkers are about to come over the ridge of the mountain where I live. Big-ass mountain. Losing orb here. Rotation down. I'm learning how to trade. Is Bitcoin not worthy right now? Bitcoin is just chopping sideways, so it's a little bit of no touchy. No touchy, we wait. SPY, we have big news coming out. Or big news event. I wouldn't say it's big news. No, nothing's new about the news that's coming out. It's just it's a big event. Okay, the FOMC. Of course, it's on my birthday, so it makes me stream all day, but aggressive move down through orb, typically bearish. The problem is that we're very overextended right now, right? Lower VWAP up here, standard deviation 1 acting as resistance right now. So waiting, no trade. So while you're waiting with me here, everybody who's long and short and sitting on their hands, you can go over to TradeFly's channel. Okay. Comment Otter Gang, and you can win a Discord membership where you can get signals and setups on a daily basis. Calling the shorts yesterday, Kyle gave the short setup in advance. We all got short last night. Okay, given the head and shoulders in advance from me. Taking profits on our beautiful signals all the way up. Oof, 1, 2, 3. I mean, winning. Best Discord in all of crypto. 8 traders, constant setups, constant live streams, 150 videos helping you guys navigate the charts. Go over here and comment Otter Gang. I'll share the link in the chat. Subscribe, please, for my birthday. I would love to see my friend here get to 2,000 subscribers. That would make my day. If you guys wouldn't mind, I'd really appreciate it. If not, you do you. You do you, but we'll do the giveaway anyways, okay? What's 4 and 2 is 7. Upgrade to premium. What? 'Cause there's too many of you guys. What? This happens sometimes. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working, guys. Well, I guess we're going to have to do it manually. Okay. Spam Otter Gang in the chat. Spam Otter Gang in the chat. And we'll select it. Where did the Otter Gang come from? Big. I didn't invent it, man. Spam Otter Gang in the chat and we'll select someone. It's gotta go quick. Spam it. Spam it, baby. Spam it, baby. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? I'm gonna look away. 10, 9, 8, 8, 8. Otter Gang. Bam. Bam. Rashad. Bro, you got a friggin' golden horseshoe up your arse, man. Rashad has won giveaways 1, 2, 3, at least 4 or 5 times, and we sponsor him as our young man from India. We sponsor him in our Discord. So Rashad, you're gonna give it away, right? Let's go again. Let's go again. Otter Gang in the chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First person is Ben. Ben. Congratulations, Ben 589. Ben 589. Come over to the Discord. Mr. Ben 589. All right. Welcome. I'll even subscribe to you, Ben. AlexOCrypto subscribes to Ben H. Look at that. All right. Ben, welcome. Come over, open up a ticket. And there you go. Come over, open up a ticket. Ben H 589. Prove your YouTube channel and we'll get you set up, man. Welcome to the family. Bitcoin rolling over here. NASDAQ consolidation rolling over here. SPY weakness. Oil up. Bitcoin sweeping into our buy level now. All you guys are short. Good job. Nice shorts. We love you, Rashad. We're happy you're in our Discord, man. Congrats, Ben. Okay, shut up now. That's the one, man. See where we go. Coming into our buy level down below here. Mitigation of this top of the order block. Retest to previous highs. Rotation down. Losing support here. Solana rotating down as well. Looking for an SFP bounce here. Bitcoin not showing any strength. Pure weakness. Red candles all the way down this morning. No trade right now. Showing the trades. Taking the trades. Thank you everybody for being here. Bitcoin bleeding out. Looking to find some support. Bullish divergence. Multiple drives down here. Needs to show some strength coming back in. Nothing as of yet into a buy level though. So we'll see how price wants to move right now. Trading is waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Patience, patience, patience. 50K incoming. Let's go, says Ratio. Okay, that's aggressive. Congrats, Ben. Mojo Jojo. Thank you guys for spamming the Otter Gang in the chat. And how many people were pasting and entering, hitting? They typed out Otter Gang. And they... How many people were doing this? Put a 1 in the chat. How many people were doing that? I bet you guys were all doing that. These are the gamers right here, guys. These are the gamers right now. Let's go. I don't cheat. Only suckers type. I love you guys, man. Where are we stopping on macro? So we have macro support at 71,400, but 69,420 is kind of the line in the sand. 69,420 is the happy place for Bitcoin. But for now, we're in the local golden pocket 786 right here. So this is your golden pocket 786 area. So we could be looking for higher time frame reversals in here. Okay, but we want confirmation, obviously. So we wait. Coming into Jerome Powell today. So I would look for it, right? If we're looking here, swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, right? We're looking for it in here generally. Okay, but for me right now, it's not based on confirmation. It's not going to be based on anything else. I'm not going to just jump in willy-nilly right now. I would like to see buyers stepping up and NASDAQ still consolidating, looking a little bit weak. Here's your cup and handle, right? So you're looking at this thing, right? Something like that. Just chopping sideways. And you would expect sideways consolidation going into FOMC today. So patience is going to be critical when trading this. Like I said, today is a day where watching is important and participation is optional, right? It's I like this SFP in here, but it hasn't. So when I see an SFP, I need to see aggression. I need to see the violent sweep and pushback. I want to see liquidity being taken and buyers stepping up. Do we see liquidity being taken? Well, maybe, but this is just slow candle close, right? You don't see any wicks down here. You don't see a candle, you know, with the wick. You want the wick. You want to see buyers stepping up and pushing price back in. You don't see that here. So this looks like continuation lower until proven otherwise, right? So bullish divergence. What's proven otherwise? We mitigate the high. We retest. We go higher. That's where we long. Right, so requires some patience here. If we reclaim the range, which is up here, right? We reclaim the range, we could consider it. But the way we went down here, I'm not too convinced. Need to watch the NASDAQ for a potential push-up. Do we get it? Right? But right now, I'm not convinced. It's not good to lose money on your birthday either, is it? Not when we're up $3,000 for the week. I think, you know, just trying to remain patient here. Shorts last night were great. They need to be greedy. Choppy. Oil's still climbing, guys. Oil's still climbing, so patience. Retest of orb, continuation down. I mean, you could be taking this. I just like I said with the shorts, I think we're a little bit overextended. That's all. That's why I'm not shorting this right here. Overextended meaning we've dropped pretty aggressively here, right? So like rotating down, losing this. We're pretty overextended. It could come down here, but there's potential for bouncing in this area here. So we wait. Obviously, this is going to be a target as we proceed lower. This is going to expand down as we expand down from this low. Looking to find some support in here. Solana. Yeah, Solana's horribly choppy. Don't touch Solana. No trades on Solana for me today. I typically will take Solana trades over Bitcoin trades because you get more juice, but when it's doing this, guys, this is chunky consolidation. This is just chop, right? So you stay away from this stuff. Discord live today. FOMC this afternoon. It's going to be fun, man. Thank you for the birthday wishes, everybody. I do appreciate the kind words today and all the likes and the subscriptions and using the Bitunix link. Thank you for using the Bitunix link and supporting the channel. VIP 3 for 6 months. It's a great deal. Exclusive for this channel. Thank you for joining the Discord and Discord members. God bless you guys. Hopefully we continue to deliver constant value. And that's it. That's it. We got buyers stepping up here. So we got lower lows and bullish CVD. CVD stepping up as well. If you're wondering what CVD is, I have it at the bottom of my indicator here. This is bullish CVD. This is bearish CVD. If you're wondering, bearish CVD, bullish CVD. Okay, just so you know. So if this is light purple, it's bullish. If it's dark purple, it's bearish. Okay, just if you're wondering. You have lower lows and bullish CVD and higher lows. So you're diverging here. You typically want for confirmation though if we're gonna trade that. I really don't like this right here. No trades. What indicator is that? That's my indicator. I made it. 5 waiver? I mean, look at the spoon feed it gave you guys. Look, it gave the short right here. Look at that short it gave. The spoon is real, guys. Who else has a spoon on their indicator? Leave it to AlexOCrypto. Look at the spoon feed from the high. That was the short call from the indicator. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. Too bad it was at 3:30 in the morning for me. Bitcoin dying, guys. Retest of orb. Continuation down. Nasty. You going to release it? Yeah, soon. I'm still back testing it. I typically back test for like 6 months, Golden. And I'm on month 1. Maybe in a couple months. Maybe it'll be like a summer surprise. Thank you, Yang, for the birthday wishes. What price do you think we go to medium and long term to build spot positions? 47,000. It's my line in the sand, man. We can go, if you watch any sort of macro analysis person that I respect, I mean, enticing buyers all the way up here. If we get acceptance back into the range, we're looking to rotate back to the bottom of the range, right? This would be a manipulation above the range, and we would distribute all the way back down, trapping all the traders. However, we could come all the way back up to these lows in here and this low in here and get rejected. Okay, so this is going to be the make or break zone of how we behave, right? Right now, we are bullish because of the trend. We are up only. We have lots of liquidity in here, right? We are trying to break out, retest, continuation trade here. Okay. However, we are still bearish. Okay. This would be a lower high, right? When trading macro and DCAing, okay, and like I did fairly well, and I was a new trader when I bought my crypto, okay. I started trading right here, guys. This is where I started. Terra Luna collapse, okay. I bought most of my Bitcoin here, and I bought some in here. My average price was like 21 or around 21. And I was new to trading. You just need to have macro time frame change, right? Macro time frame change will tell you, right? It'll tell you. Convincing macro time frame sentiment change will tell you. Do you care if you bought here or here when price goes up here? I don't give a rat's ass. If I get in here, anywhere in here, I'm happy. Happy days, man. Happy days. But that's me. That's me. Patience. But yeah, I don't do much macro analysis except in the Discord. I used to do all the top-down altcoin, shitcoin, whatever. I used to do all those streams, and then I was just like, you know what? I'm here to trade. That's it. Bull divs, key level, trying to reclaim orb, looking for orb reclaim, continuation trades, possibility, need NASDAQ to get going. There's our breakout, retest, continuation trade here. SPY, consolidating sideways into FOMC today, guys. FOMC. It's my birthday. Look, I shrunk. I'll see you guys later today, guys. Discord will have updates for you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful morning. Touch some grass, touch some ass. Prepare for Jerome Powell. I will see you guys this afternoon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys later today and tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful day, guys. God bless. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice?